Here's 3 tips to become a natural actor. Natural of life. Tip number 1, let life be the best teacher of truthful acting. Ask yourself this: how would I do this in life? How do people behave in life? Observe them, watch them, take notes. Also, observe yourself. Journal. See how you do what you do. Let life teach you how to be natural. Tip number 2, don't do something until something happens to make you do it. You don't do it just because the script says to do it. You do something when you're made to do it. For instance, if I'm giving a lecture in front of a class, I don't call on someone until they raise their hand. You have a question? I don't turn on my blinker until it's time to change lanes. I don't hide under the bed until a stranger knocks at the door. I guess a normal person would answer the door, not me. My wife doesn't say, "Can you not do that?" until I start singing. You have to justify what you do in order to do it truthfully, naturally, realistically. And tip number 3, this should have been tip number 1, but it's too late. We can't go back now. Make sure what you do in the scene is actually doable, okay? Here's what not to do. Ask yourself, what do you do in the scene? And answer this way: well, he's kind of in this situation where his mother is sick and he's really stressed out. And this beat here, like especially at the beginning, it's like a more of like a tangible, ethereal guilt that do tangible, ethereal guilt right now. Do it. What does that look like? I don't know. Don't talk to yourself that way. How do I maintain reality? You have to have something to do so that you can do it with reality. Some examples of what you should do: convincing this person that I'm right. I'm persuading her to go on the trip with me. I'm breaking up with this person. I'm trying to decide if this person should be partner at the firm. I want to get the jury to vote guilty. I want to get this guy to quit. I confess to what I did wrong. You see how these are things I can actually do? Bonus tip: if you want to be real while you act, you got to choose in a way that brings out your ability to believe what you do. So know yourself really well. Let your imagination and your instincts choose in a way that brings out your actor's faith, or your ability to believe. If you want more tips like this one, it's $196 worth of Actors Essentials. It's the Actors Inspiration Booklet, which has over 50 films, plays, books, and quotes that I share and recommend with my students. It's also the Actors Handbook, which takes all of the complexities of the tools that I teach in acting and it simplifies them. How to act truthfully in less than an hour, 9 tools and 7 videos with actionable steps you can do on your own. That is normally $127. You're getting all of this for $49. If you do it now, I will give you free feedback on either a headshot, resume, or reel. I'll be honest with you. Sometimes it's hard for friends to be honest with friends. I'm that guy who's gonna be real with you and honest with you so you can get closer to your goals, see what you might need to work on, isolate that thing, and get better than you were yesterday. Here's a quote to leave you with to inspire you. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not who someone else is today. Get a little bit better than you were yesterday. You'll get closer and closer to your goals. You'll give yourself the best chance at success. That's what this Essential Actors Pack is all about. Thank you guys so much for following along, and follow for more acting tips like this one.